Hey there, I'm Ray. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So I've asked people, the main thing I would like them to do is subscribe to me and send me some comments. So I've got a new subscriber who has looked at almost all my videos and he sent me back some comments. I mean, I tell people, tell me what you want to see. And he told me, okay, Ray, come on, I'm a college student. Send me some easy drinks, man. I ain't got a lot of money. So today I'm going to show you something super simple, okay? Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey Whiskey, ginger ale, and a little bit of lime. What could be more easier than that? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is throw a little ice in your glass, get it kind of cold. Ice up a little bit more. Okay. All we simply need is 2 ounces of our Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey. Throw that in our glass. And then just top it off with some ginger ale. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little lime. I got a lime, corner of a lime, squeeze it. And just throw it on in there. That's all we need for this. How simple is that? So Daniel, my friend, this one's for you. Ooh, that's pretty good. Now, this is very easy, but you can experiment with it. I mean, you want to swap out your ginger ale? Some people like putting ginger beer in there. Try that. You want to add a little bit of honey? Add a little bit of honey to it. I've tried it with a little bit of honey pepper liqueur my friend got me, and it's pretty good. A little bit spicy. You can even try a little bit of extra lime juice if you want. You can experiment from there. I mean, there's all sorts of things you can do with this, but this is so easy. Boom, you're done in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's good. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.